Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the glowing text animations to your captions in a video by using the CapCut mobile. So here I have already imported a video with captions like this. I've already used the auto captions, and to easily apply the glowing caption, you can just click on one of the caption. Go to the animation here at the bottom. Here under the in category, you'll easily spot the glowing text animations that you can choose. There are snow light, starlight, and snow fluttering, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. There's also glow scanning. Let's try this glow scanning animation. So if you like it, just click on the check icon and click on this to apply it to all of the caption. So now the caption will go like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.